Hello and welcome to Math Lessons with Linda. Today's topic is combining like terms. This is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, you may want to go back and watch that. So on today's lesson, we are looking at some expressions that are combined in parentheses. And that may look a little more difficult, but we're going to treat it the same way as what we did previously. When I am adding two polynomial expressions together, the addition is what I look for here. All I have to do is drop the parentheses and then just look for the like terms. So I would do 2x squared plus 4x minus 6, drop the parenthesis, plus 9x squared minus 5x plus 3. Again, when you combine like terms, you're looking for the same variable and the same exponent. So start with the largest exponent first, which here is the 2. So I'll have a 2x squared plus a 9x squared, and that gives me 11x squared. The next terms I'm looking for are the x terms. So I have a positive 4x and I have a minus 5x. So right here, be careful, we have a smaller number and we're subtracting a larger number. That means we're going to get a negative. So 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So I have negative 1x left for that term. And then the last thing we have are these constants. So negative 6 plus 3. Again, I have a bigger negative, so my answer is going to be negative. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. So here's my final expression after I've added these terms together and combined everything together. 11x squared minus 1x minus 3. Okay, we're going to try one more. And this one's going to be with subtraction. I'm going to change up the variable too. So 3m squared minus 4m plus 1, and then a minus and another set of parentheses. 6m squared plus 3m plus 9. Now the issue comes with this negative being in between the terms because the negative has to apply to every term in the second parenthesis. So before we start combining, we have to distribute this negative, and every term in this parenthesis is affected. So what happens is anything that's a positive in here would be negative, and anything that's a negative would be a positive. All of our terms here are positive inside, so they all are going to switch to a negative. My first terms stay the same. I can drop those parentheses. After I distribute this negative, I can also drop the parentheses. So I'm going to get a negative 6m squared, a negative 3m, and a negative 9. If you would like to draw the arrows to remind yourself every term gets this negative sign, that's a good way to not forget anything and leave them out. Once we've finished with the negative, now we're going to treat this like we have all of the other problems. A 3m squared and a minus 6m squared. We want to combine these together. The bigger number is the negative, so my answer should be negative. So negative 3m squared for this. I have a negative 4m, and then I have minus 3m. So they're both negative. That means my answer is just a bigger negative. So I add these together, so I get negative 7m. And then my last set of terms are the constants. I have 1 minus 9. The 9 is the bigger number and it's negative. So my answer is going to be negative 8. And after I have combined all the like terms distributed through, my final expression is negative 3m squared minus 7m minus 8.